Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. In this video, we'll show you how to install Tracks4Africa GPS Maps on your Mac computer. Our maps are available on both digital download and an SD card. In this video, we'll highlight how to install Tracks4Africa from a digital download from inside the dashboard on the Tracks4Africa online shop. Here is a list of videos you should watch before continuing with this tutorial. The links are in the video description below. Simply scroll down and click on the words Show More and you'll see the full video descriptions containing all the links you require. Please start by visiting shop.tracks4africa.co.za. Then log in using the username and password you chose during registration. On the dashboard page, please scroll down and click on My Subscription. Your active subscriptions as well as your downloads will be listed on the right-hand side. You'll see all download options available for your subscription. The reason why you may see older versions in this download area is that would be the original sets of maps you subscribe to. And then perhaps you received an updated version which was released later. The latest version will always be listed at the bottom. Click on the complete set of the latest version of Tracks4Africa to start the download. Your download may take a few minutes to complete. When it has completed, you'll need to extract the zip folder. To do this, you can either click on the download itself in Google Chrome, or you can open the Downloads folder. In your Downloads folder, simply double-click the zip file. After it has extracted, please double-click on the gmap.i file. Map Manager will ask you whether you would like to install the Tracks4Africa map. Click Install to continue. Once the maps are installed, you can close Map Manager. To view the installed Tracks4Africa maps, open Garmin Basecamp from Launchpad. If this is the first time opening Basecamp since installing Tracks4Africa GPS Maps, you'll need to change some settings. Firstly, right-click on the toolbar at the top. Then click Customize Toolbar. Now click and drag the currently displayed map item to any place on the toolbar. After adding it, on the drop-down menu, select the Tracks4Africa maps you've purchased. That's it. Here is a list of installation videos you should watch if you're running a Mac. Please check the links in the description below this video.